Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Shiba Inu from Phantom Wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your SHIB tokens for trading, staking, or just better management, this guide has got you covered. It's 2025, and with evolving blockchain tech, we'll keep things simple, secure, and up to date. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version. Open it up and log in with your wallet. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your Shiba Inu (SHIB) balance. If it's not showing, double-check that you've added the SHIB token to your wallet. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which should be your Bitrue wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Copy it directly from your Bitrue account for accuracy. Now, specify the amount of SHIB you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved scaling solutions, but they can still add up. Once you've entered the amount, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the gas fees, total amount, and destination. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's processed on the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After that, hop over to your Bitrue account and refresh your balance. Voila! Your SHIB should now be there, ready for whatever you have planned. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick word of caution: always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets. The crypto world can be tricky, so stay vigilant against scams. That's it for this tutorial. You've just mastered withdrawing SHIB from Phantom to Bitrue. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.